Alice, what you got there?
The fairings box.
My fairings?
Yeah.
I'm getting fairings for this bike? What color are they?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise? Okay, we're about to find out. In this box here, like Alice said, are my new fairings for my 2021 S1000RR. I'm changing the look of this. As much as I do like the black, it's nice and stealth. It's just, you know, it's a little too OEM stock to me. And I want to change the entire look of this bike completely. So that's what we're going to do today. Huge thanks to Monster Fairings for sending me over this kit. It was custom made, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay everything down on the ground and then I'll reveal what color my bike is going to be. So here it is, guys, all the fairings laid out, half being carbon fiber, the other half being Nardo gray with some pearlescent in it. If you look really closely, you can see that it kind of glistens. It's not flat. All right, maybe you can't see it, but in person you can definitely see it. So I got Alice to hold a few of the things that comes with the fairing kit. Over here we have, well, a fairing kit. It has a bunch of different fasteners in here. They're all anodized in black. That way it'll look really nice with the gray. I'm not a fan of the silver or the chrome look. It looks a little bit outdated to me. And then over here we have the receiving end of the clips on the fairing. And over here some rubber stops. I'm gonna find out what these are used for in just a second. And then this big silver reflective thing here, this is the heat wrap. This is going to be on the inside of the bottom area of the fairings. And this is used to prevent any melting of the fairing underneath where all the pipes are. It gets pretty hot down there. And it also comes with a clear windscreen, but I am not going to be using that because I have more aggressive windscreen that I'm planning to use. But it's nice to know that they have all of this stuff included as well. I think some of that stuff is extra if you buy it, but regardless, the fairing kit over here looks really nice. It's time to start taking apart that guy right over there, and let's do it. Alright, so after about 30 minutes, I think, I finally have the bike torn apart. I have to say, this bike is probably the easiest bike I've ever torn apart. BMW made it so simple to take everything off, and I'm actually really excited for like future maintenance stuff, knowing that it's going to be so much easier than my ZX-10R. So do you remember those receiving ends of the clips that I was talking about? Turns out there's a ton of those on the OEM fairings. So what I'm going to do now is make sure that every piece that has them on the OEM fairings is also going to have them on these fairings, as well as anything that I need to transfer over, like rubber grommets or anything like that. I'm going to be putting those on here as well. But yeah, look at this bike all torn apart. It's like, it's giving me Terminator vibes. Anyways, I'm gonna start working on all that stuff right now, and I might have to use the OEM fairings as reference for the new fairings, but I imagine this part is probably gonna take longer than taking off the fairings itself. That's how easy it was. Alright, so I've been going at this for about 30 minutes now, just putting all the clips where they need to be. As you can see, this is the corresponding piece on the right. This is the carbon fiber one. So if you look over here, this is the one and only mistake I've come across so far, is there's this open circle right here, which is just fine, but then there's another circle right above it. Same thing on this side, open circle, circle above it, has this rubber grommet. If you go over here to this version, it's a rectangle. A little strange, but it's the first mistake I've come across so far. So I might actually open that up a little bit if the rubber grommet doesn't fit, and then I'll be able to put it in. All right, another hour has gone by, and I finally completed everything. All the clips are transferred, all the rubber grommets are transferred. Things that could be put together already are put together, as you can see over there and over here. And here are the bottom fairings. I covered them all in this heat wrap here. I noticed that the stock OEM fairings didn't actually have it, but I decided to use it anyways since I have it, just in case. Always good to have that extra security. And yeah, fairings are done. Now I just gotta put this on the bike and we're gonna see a final result. Oh my god, guys, after 3 hours of doing this, I am finally done. It is around 6 a.m. now and I have Alice over there. She's just helping me clean up. You can kind of see the bike already, but I'm going to show you guys in just a second what it really looks like. In terms of fitment and how easy it was putting on the fairings, I'd say it was a 9 out of 10. There were a couple pieces that I felt like I needed to stretch to get the holes lined up. Other than that, everything fit pretty well. A lot better than I expected. And now, without further ado, here are the Monster Fairings on a 2021 BMW S1000RR. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, huge thanks to Monster Fairings for giving me this fairing kit. If you guys remember, my old ZX-10 also had carbon fiber fairings, and it was also done by Monster Fairings, and I was very happy with those ones as well. So this is my second time working with them, and they have been such a great company to work with. And I still look forward to working with them in the future as well. So if you guys are interested in getting your own fairing kit, make sure you guys go check out monsterfairings.com. So yeah, that is my bike now. It's great. It's no longer black. And I know some of you guys might be saying, well, Stan, like, where's the orange? Where's the orange? Listen, I tried putting this in orange on Photoshop. It just doesn't look good. It almost takes away from the bike. So I decided not to go that route. Maybe in the future, I will try orange, but I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to deviate away from that and maybe try something new. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And of course, I will see you in the next one. Peace.